Oh my god, 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 guys. NZAC day just finished today. And looking at this chart again, looking at this asset Euro USD, it's showing some remarkable movement. I made a video last night regarding its predictions, but this is on a 5-hour chart frame. But if you have a look at it, this is where it is at the moment. They had a correction, I think earlier Monday, I think, and that correction has brought us up to possible this resistance. Where it's going at the moment, remember it's a 5-hour time frame. So if I take this back down to say 5 minutes, will give us a little bit more appreciation of this asset. Hold on, 5 minutes. Let's go 15 to appreciate what this asset is doing. Notice it's come back up again since yesterday. Oh no, 23rd. It's come back up again and hit the resistance. Now where it's going, it is predictable to a certain degree. What I mean is that this is going to come down again, and today's date is the 26th of April, and this is again my prediction. This is going to come down again and fluctuate around about this area. I was hoping it would have come back all the way down the bottom here with my new sets yesterday, but it hasn't actually. It just came down to sort of bottomed out and had a huge little uptrend. But it looks like it's going to, there's a red candlestick there sort of showing at the moment. Let me have a look. I think, hold on, there's a trend. There's a short trending up there. It's possible it's going to go up and follow the trend, but it could be a reversal here. And these are the areas you can certainly make a bit of money on when it does reversal and do these pretty good trending. Oh well, as we can see as we're talking, that is drastically in that favor, of course. 3 red candlestick already on the put position. So we could be making a lot of money on this particular asset Euro USD as it just fluctuates between itself. If you look here, there's a U formation. If you have a look down the bottom, I mean the U formation has appeared a few times. You know the saying, history repeats itself, and there's a classic example which has been in the past also. USD is sort of leaving us some sort of indications, and it's something worth looking into. And of course, in the near future, as I said in my yesterday's video, it's bound for some greater movement on upward trend. When that will be, I can't predict correctly. But I think if we look at the chart, it's coming up relatively pretty soon. I think we are at this point, but at the same token, see it's reached the support on this other one, and it's possible the support, it's going to force it upwards, or the support will become a resistance. But that's to be seen. I mean, where it is at the moment with that spike on the 5-hour time frame, well, an hour, I think. Yeah, a day time frame. That is significant again. But you're just using a little bit of history here to sort of gauge where it's going at the moment after this market correction. And if you go back in frame again, I say 15 minutes. And then we'll recognize and appreciate there it is. There's the old indicator has given us. It always goes back to where it started from. And it might just keep repeating itself within these areas, small payments, but at least you can trade successfully in these swing trading at the moment, or taking advantage of short gains. But still, it's quite profitable, opening up some positions at this level. And if this red candlestick continue, which it's promising, I think it will come down, hit the support again, and we'll go back up. There is, of course, there's a trending, as we notice, up from here. Oops. Go back there. Okay, there is a trend, and I think it could continue up, but at the same time, it's going to go up and down before it gets up to the top again. And notice it is trending upwards. So although this might come down today, it will generally and gradually continue to its way upwards. Upward trend. Hold on, let me. Oh, there we go. And notice this angle, how steep it is, and that gives us a comfortable indication this is really certainly going up. I mean, here's another classic example. Up on a resistance line. Let me give you a bit of an indication here also. Now, I generally look at this when they have a good strong motion, so whether it be upward trend or downward trend, you notice there's a funnel that this particular asset is traveling up, regardless where it goes, up and down. But every time it touches support or resistance, it continues up that channel. And that's what you can take advantage of also. It's like going through a tube. This particular asset's going through a tube, and it can't get out of that tube, but certain things will break in the near future. But keep an eye on it, and I think at this point in time, you can comfortably open up a put or a sell position. Then we'll probably reach 1.087 or lesser before it swings back again. But anyway, this is Stephen R. Ford from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Stay away from scams, trade well, learn to trade successfully, and join some of these high-frequency trading platform. Should be a link down below this video, and of course subscribe to my video so you can get some more of these handy hints for you in the future. Anyway, Stephen R. Ford from Mindful Fortune, creating fortune for the future. Stay away from scams. God bless you. We love you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.